Gloomy, gloom, gloomy. There's absolutely nothing here. Miss Levy, come back. Nothing. Oh, nothing. Oh, nothing. I wish there was something. Very wishy, fishy, fishy. Ah! Something is throwing me a pillow. Cool. Let's put it this way. Oops. Yeah. Boring. Again. Birthday pushing. Where did you come from? I like pillows. I do too. Every cat likes pillows. Rest with me. Another pillow. We can make this Pillow-Ception. Birthday pushing. Get off. Okay. Pillow-Ception time. Pillow-Ception. Pillow. I'm going to sit right here. Cute. Firecracker. I came in like a firework. Unicorn pushing. Don't worry, I can always fly. This is a cool Pillow-Ception. I know, right? Pillow-Ception. I'm hungry. Don't worry, it's a party of Pillow-Ception, so you have food. Yes. Where's the food? Where is the food? Right there. Okay. Another pillow! Everybody has to get off. We're gonna put this under the unicorn pillow. Is everyone off? Think so. Okay. Then we move the unicorn pillow. Then put this here. Then put this on top of here. And then Snow's just gonna get all lonely over there. Climb the mountain of pillows. I'm just gonna be right here, guys. I'll join you. Sits. If I fit, I sit. Oh, hey, Bianca Jr., nice lock. Thank you. No one can unlock my heart. Meow. Ione! Right here. You sit right there. Unicorn pushing, face us. Sorry. You're a keychain. I know. Stormy! Cute. Why don't you sit with your sister? Right here. I'm being pulled down. I wish my role model Pounce was here. Pounce. I'm gonna just sit right here. I'm sexy and I know. Booty. Look at my butt. Okay, I'll just sit right here. I want to stand up. Unicorn pushing, give me some room. I am. Wait, no, then I can't see. This party is weird. Here, okay, I have a solution. We're going to put the pillow a bit closer over here. So I'm just going to sit right here. Ione's going to sit right there. Unicorn pushing, you will sit right here with your friend Stormy. Orange Cat, you can sit right next to Prance. And Bianca Jr., you get to sit here. We don't need it. Oh yes, another pillow. Everybody off the unicorn. So that we can... Actually, yeah, everybody off the unicorn. No, you guys don't need to get off. Well, actually, sure you can. Ready? We're going to throw off the unicorn. Put on this one. Then put on this one. Okay, so I just need to push this in. Sophie, stop that. Okay, so Bianca Jr., you cute head can be sticking out there. Oh no! Wait, Bianca Jr., we just realized you're in the middle of you're in a bad spot. Oh. I'll sit right here. No one can see me. I'll just sit. Firecracker, move on. Yeah. This Pillow-Ception is kind of cool, but I'd rather have food. I'm gonna sit right over here.
How come they aren't on the pillow?
They want food. Orange cat. Uh-oh, my uni fell. Stormy gets to sit here. Lily gets to sit on top of this weird mane. Unicorn Pushing gets to sit next to her sister Stormy. Alrighty, we want to make sure that the butt isn't covering that. Grants gets to sit right here. Purple Pushing gets to sit next to her buds, or on top of them. Sitting next to my buds. Not as new as Unicorn Pushing.
No, I mean, she knew.
I'm
She
just
was
gonna
in the
sit right here.
Pillow-Ception before and just knocked her down.
Seriously? Where is she?
Oh my gosh, don't be stupid.
Okay, it's hard to not be stupid when you're pulling me in all sorts of different directions. I'm gonna sit right here, since I have no room for my friends. I'm gonna sit right here. Ready? I can't.
I want to join the Pillow-Ception.
Pillow-Ception.
Are there chips?
Chips are down there.
I'm hungry and I know it.
Alrighty, now we're going to add this pillow for a bit of comfort next to the food section.
I'm hungry and I know it.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Already, by the looks of it, we have at least 6 more minutes left until we are. No. We have 7 minutes until the video is over, so let's make the most of that of it. Eric, I'm in a terrible pose. Don't bounce because then the pillows will fall. All 4 of them. See? 1, 2, 3, 4.
My tummy.
Dude, there's food right here.
I ate all the food.
Let's fake watch movies. I'll get the movies. Woo.
You're not posting anything on anywhere, are you?
This on YouTube, yeah.
We're allowed to do that. We're allowed to put stuff on YouTube.
And anyway, I barely have subscribers. Fart fly.
Am I to believe you?
Yes.
There's this guy in
That's the only time today.
There's this guy in school who always likes our videos.
Let's see. What movie should we get?
Pokemon first.
No, I didn't mean actually play it. Well, hurry. I guess we might as well watch this. Sweet. Why is it here? Go get the cats in the time we have.
Okay.
Woo, Pokemon the first movie. La di da 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 di, reversing everything, dingy dingy. La di da di da di. This is going to be fun.
Pokemon the first movie. It's Ruby. Woohoo!
Already seat everyone while I make the people watch the movie on backwards, pretty much.
So we're restarting?
Yeah.
Oh, we already watched all this.
Yeah, we might need to pause and remake it. Pillow-Ception Part 2. Mewtwo Strikes Back. This is a lot.
Are we even watching a Pikachu vacation?
We are.
Do we have popcorn?
No. Sorry. Sure.
Do you have popcorn?
Yeah. Video is almost over.
We haven't even gotten to the climb Togepi yet.
Almost done. I'm gonna get to all the way to the end. Well, that's it for right now.